There may be instances where you have manually matched the incorrect student to a booklet, and the student might email you and say that they've been matched to the wrong booklet. You can go ahead and rectify that matching mistake. First of all, you want to know what booklet number the student has been matched to. So there are two ways that you can get this information. Either you can select students from the navigational sidebar on the left-hand side, search for the student here, and select to see grading here to see what booklet they've been matched to. So here I can see the student has been matched to booklet 2. The other option is to use the overview grid when you're grading. So select grade, use the overview grid, search for the student that was incorrectly matched, and then the number here on the left-hand side, that is the number booklet that the student has been matched to. Once you have that information, you'll go to Match Booklets and select Manually Match Booklets. So we can see here that we are on booklet 2. But if there was a different booklet number you were looking for, you can use this search bar here to change the type of the booklet number, and that will drop you on that cover page for that booklet. So you can see underneath here, this is where the manual match has happened. So this was matched to Frederick, whereas this booklet belongs to Amelia. So what we want to do is remove the match from this booklet, and then we'll want to type for Amelia's name. Now, if Amelia has been matched to a different booklet, what you will see is that you won't have the checkbox option beside Amelia's name. So what we next want to do is figure out what booklet Amelia has been matched to and remove her match from that booklet. That will enable you to match this booklet with Amelia. So to do that, you can select Amelia's name, and it's going to drop you on the booklet that they have been matched to. You can remove that match. And then when we go back to booklet 2, either by typing or using these arrows here, we will now be able to match Amelia to this booklet.